our center position. Right leg going forward is right foot forward, center back. Right foot side, back to center. Right foot back and center. Right foot diagonally forward, center. Right foot diagonally back, center. Right foot forward and across, center. Right foot back and across, center. Same thing with our left leg. So left foot forward, center. Left foot side, center. Left foot back, center. Left foot diagonally forward, center. Left foot diagonally back, center. Left foot forward and across, forward and across, center. Left foot back and across, center. Okay, these are all our foot positions.